Hi there, this is Tina from Predestination, and I just want to show you our user interface framework that we spent the month designing and incorporating into the game engine. So the main goal of this interface is to allow you to manage or access your entire empire from just a single interface. I'll just quickly show you the navigation bar here. What that does is it just allows you quick access to all the tools needed to manage your empire without having to go into any sort of different screens away from the Galaxy screen. You can see here the option panes have been designed with a blurred glass finish, and that will just help minimise any distracting background visual noise without taking you away from the Galaxy map. So then every panel is sized to match the buttons on the navigation bar, and then that will allow us to display lots of information on the options that need it. So you'll see, for example, the research option is the largest, and that is to allow us to put the full research tree right on the pane without having to pull you away from that main interface. So each pane has tabs, and those tabs will organise the information that should be in that pane, and then that will make it just much easier for you to find whatever mechanic that you're looking for without tearing your hair out. You'll see there in the corner there's the quick stat hexes, and they're there to visually display key population, money and research statistics just at a glance, and then you can click on those for further statistics then. So we revamped the system window with a new skin. That was just to make it blend better with the overall aesthetics of the UI, and also to add an info pane on mouse over of the planets, just to give you a basic overview on the planet, like the amount of minerals, colony details, and environment information. As you can see, we haven't quite finished that yet, but yeah, there's placeholders in there just to show you anyway. So clicking on a planet will bring up any of the options available to you. So you'll have options like spying, colony options, or planet mode, for instance. The planet pane here will show you just a wee bit more detailed information. So that pane will give you all the information that you know currently about that planet. Setting probes and scanning planets is really key to keeping that information current, and of course you can send spies to do that job on enemy planets too, you know, nothing's stopping you. We kind of wanted that to feel like an astrometrics lab interface to help tie in the system nicely with the scan information, and just to keep all that information relevant through a nice clean UI. The last wee thing I want to show you here is a system we developed to make the 3D Galaxy map easy to navigate and understand. I could get lost in a paper bag. I can't really navigate a 3D map of the galaxy, so I was really aware that we needed a clean way to display ranges and relationships in a 3D relief. We came up with the sensor range spheres, and that will help neatly show you the range for your colony sensors. So each colony sensor has a set radius, and then we just display those spheres all put together to show you the range that you can send ships and track enemy fleet and missile movement. That would come in handy to allow you to quickly see what systems are in range for you to scout, and also what planets you can then send ships to. Of course, UIs are always very fun to customise for yourself, so our UI will be all moddable by switching about some images. You'll be able to make an opaque or glass-like UI just depending on your preference, and everything is scalable to suit your needs and your screen size and things. As ever, we'd really love to hear any feedback that you have for us, so if you can, be sure to drop us a wee comment with your initial thoughts on the UI. Whether good or bad, we'd love to hear it. Thanks very much for watching, and we hope you like it. Bye!